Stanford at Sea started in 2003 as a cross-school initiative to provide an educational sail training experience for Stanford students. Up to 25 undergraduates enroll in Stanford at Sea and participate in 5 weeks of shore-based instruction held at Hopkins Marine Station in Pacific Grove. The class is a partnership between Stanford and Sea Education Association. Our faculty teach classes in oceanography, nautical science, and maritime studies. The most exciting part of the course is the 5 weeks we spend together on the Robert Siemens. Stanford students, faculty, and TAs form the crew, and we all learn how to navigate and sail, a traditional part of sail training. We hold classes every day while at sea, and each student works on their own research project. The ship comes equipped with first-rate oceanographic sampling gear. Here we're using a sensor and bottle rosette system to collect seawater from beneath the ship. These students are using nighttime net tows to collect the tiny plankton that inhabit the waters south of Hawaii. We harvested tuna nearly every day, in part to discover what they were eating, and also for our own galley. It's coming up. The ship is equipped with its own miniature ROV, or remotely operated vehicle. Several students use the ROV to study the distribution of living organisms in the waters along our route south from Hawaii. One of the places we visit, Palmyra, is unique in the Pacific because of the great abundance of top predators, like these pelagic white-tip sharks. Palmyra is an isolated coral atoll located about 1,200 kilometers south of Hawaii. After 8 days of sailing, we arrive at its shores to begin a 7-day scientific survey. Much of our survey work is done using small boats and skin diving.
That was a big man.
Palmyra is largely unexplored. Our students employed standard survey techniques to examine the distribution of coral organisms and the relative state of health of the reefs. We also completed studies of water circulation, chemistry, mollusks, and fish. All students complete a research paper before the ship pulls into Hawaii. Many of our students continued to work on their projects after the class ended, including several who are now publishing papers on their studies.